Welcome back, K-drama lovers. You probably love the perfect mix of heart-fluttering romance and laugh-out-loud comedy. Today, we are counting down the top 10 romantic comedy Korean dramas you just can't miss. 10. The King, Eternal Monarch. Kicking off our list is The King, Eternal Monarch, released in 2020. This romantic fantasy comedy stars Lee Min-ho as Lee Gon, a king from a parallel universe, and Kim Go-yoon as Young Tae-yul, a detective in modern-day Korea. As they navigate between worlds, their love story blossoms amidst thrilling and humorous encounters. The unique mix of romance, action, and the hilarious cultural clashes between the two worlds make this a rom-com you won't forget. 9. Welcome to Waikiki. At number 9, we have the side-splitting comedy Welcome to Waikiki, released in 2018. This drama follows three struggling friends played by Kim Young-haen, Lee Hee-kyung, and Sun Sung-won who run a failing guest house while dreaming of stardom. With plenty of romance sprinkled in between their chaotic misadventures, this show delivers laughter and heartfelt moments in equal measure. If you are in the mood for slapstick humor mixed with budding romances, Welcome to Waikiki is for you. 8. Strong Woman Do Bong Soon. Next up, we have Strong Woman Do Bong Soon. Released in 2017, this drama stars Park Bo-young as a young woman with superhuman strength who becomes the bodyguard of a quirky game company CEO, played by Park Hyung-sik. The combination of Bong Soon's hilarious strength-related antics and the undeniable chemistry between the leads makes this drama a standout rom-com. 7. She Was Pretty. Coming in at number 7 is She Was Pretty, a 2015 romantic comedy about childhood friends who reunite under unusual circumstances. Hwang Young-yoon stars as Kim Hae-jin, who once was beautiful but has grown awkward as an adult, while Park Seo-joon plays Ji Sung-joon, her handsome first love. The drama is full of heartwarming scenes, funny misunderstandings, and an endearing transformation story. If you love stories about rekindling old flames, this is the perfect rom-com for you. 6. True Beauty. Taking the 6th spot is True Beauty, a 2020 drama that had everyone talking. Starring Moon Ga-young as a high school girl who uses makeup to hide her insecurities and Cha Yoon-woo as her handsome classmate who sees her real self, this drama is equal parts funny and heartwarming. The love triangle, the comedy, and the important message about self-esteem make this a standout rom-com. 5. It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Taking the 5th spot is It's Okay to Not Be Okay, a 2020 drama that mixes romance with a deeper exploration of mental health. Kim Soo-hyun plays Moon Kang-tae, a caregiver at a psychiatric hospital, while Seo Ye-ji plays Ko Moon-young, a children's book author with an eccentric personality. Their relationship is full of quirky moments, witty banter, and touching emotional scenes. The drama's unique blend of humor, romance, and healing makes it stand out in the rom-com genre. 4. Legend of the Blue Sea. At number 4, we have Legend of the Blue Sea, a fantasy rom-com from 2016, starring Lee Min-ho and Jun Ji-hyun. This drama follows a modern-day con artist who falls for a mermaid from the Joseon era. Their magical love story is filled with humor, action, and plenty of swoon-worthy moments. With its stunning visuals and charming leads, this drama is a magical addition to any K-drama lover's list. 3. Fight for My Way. Coming in at number 3 is Fight for My Way, a relatable and inspiring romantic comedy that aired in 2017. This drama stars Park Seo-joon as Ko Dong-man, a former taekwondo athlete with dreams of becoming an MMA fighter, and Kim Ji-won as Choi A-ra, his longtime friend who aspires to be a television announcer. Their friends-to-lovers journey is both hilarious and touching, as they struggle to achieve their dreams while realizing their feelings for each other. The chemistry between the leads, combined with the realistic portrayal of adulthood and friendship, makes Fight for My Way a perfect rom-com to binge. 2. What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? At number 2, we have What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, a 2018 hit starring Park Seo-joon as a narcissistic, yet lovable CEO and Park Min-young as his ever-patient secretary. When Secretary Kim decides to resign, her boss goes into full-blown panic mode and tries to keep her by his side, leading to comedic misunderstandings and, of course, romance. Their banter and blossoming relationship will keep you hooked. 1. Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. And finally, taking the top spot as Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha, released in 2021. Starring Kim Seon-ho and Shin Min-ae, this drama tells the story of a city dentist who moves to a small seaside village, where she meets a jack-of-all-trades handyman. Their slow-burn romance, filled with heartwarming moments and comedic misunderstandings, is set against the backdrop of a beautiful village. The wholesome, feel-good vibe of this drama has made it one of the most beloved rom-coms in recent years.